Hey, it's time to talk about the US China trade war in 2025 and why the US can come out on top. Let's break it down fast. First, the US has the world's biggest consumer market, $27 trillion GDP. China sends $440 billion in goods. Here, 15 to 20% of its exports. The US only 13% of our imports come from China. We can pivot to places like Mexico or Vietnam. China can't replace us easily. Trump's tariffs hit 145%, aiming to crash that trade. It hurts China's factories more than US shoppers, who've got options. China's economy is shaky, deflation, property woes, and unemployment. They're desperate to keep exports flowing. The US dollar rules 88% of global transactions. China's yuan, just 2.7%. We can finance deficits and shrug off costs. China's stuck. Devaluing their currency risks chaos, and they can't dump US bonds without tanking themselves. Allies give us an edge. The US is rallying Japan, the EU, and India to block China's trade tricks. China's Belt and Road pals can't match that firepower. 50% of global GDP backs us. Tech's another win. US export controls choke China's AI and chip dreams. We lead innovation. They're playing catch up. Tariffs hit their EVs and steel, flooding their market and crashing prices at home. We're reshoring jobs. Tariff cash funds, steel, cars, chips. China's growth could dip to 3% by 2026, forcing them to talk. Inflation's a risk here. Prices might jump 6 to 8%, but the US can handle it better than China's export addiction. So, how does the US win? Crush China's exports, lock in allies, and build at home. By 2026, China's at the table, trade deficits down, and the US calls the shots. It's not easy, but we've got the better hand. Like, share, and subscribe, and share your thoughts down below in the comment section.